Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download a voice message on Messenger. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. As you may know, it is quite difficult for you to just simply save a voice message since you don't get that option once you have it on one. So the solution is to log into your browser for the Messenger on your computer, and then from here you're going to go and direct it to the Chrome extension browser where you can see in the Chrome Web Store. All you have to do is to search for download audio message for Messenger/Instagram, and it's going to show you this result right here, and then simply click on add to Chrome. Once you do that, click on add extension, and now it's going to be installed. Now from here, all you have to do is to click on it. Once you go to your Messenger, going to click on it right here. Once you enable it, it's going to switch it, so all you have to do is to refresh your page. And once you have reloaded the page, you can play 1 second of it, and then from here all you have to do is click on it again, and as you can see it gives us the option to download it. Click on download, and now we can save it on our downloads folder, and just like that, now we have it locally on our computer, and this is it. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.